Dave from Dave's Glory Shopworks here, and on this episode we're going to see if this small block is salvageable and good for rebuild. Alright, this is a 1972 casting 360 Magnum.
Cut!
This is a 1972 casting of a 360 LA, and it's been bored out before. It's bored 30 thou over. What we're going to do is clean up the cylinders and get rid of any edging, whatever, and then we're going to measure, see where our specs are, see if it's worthwhile, if we can get away with just the regular 30 thou bore that's in there, or if we have to bore it out more, and if so, how much, and then we can decide if we can use this block or not. This is a 1979 Dodge half-ton, short wheelbase, nice beefy drag slicks. This truck belongs to John Sewell, and John is right here. And you remember Natalie from such episodes as We're Building a Fargo and such. And we are gonna get this truck back up and running this year. It's been dormant for a couple of years now. All right, follow along and we'll see what we can figure out.
So what is your honing fluid, David?
That is my special secret sauce.
Oh.
No, it's a 4-to-1 mix of diesel fuel and engine oil.
Really?
Yeah, it's what Cummins recommends. They recommend a 30-weight engine oil, period. But it's a 10W30. I think I used Shell Rotella T4 10W30, and then some diesel.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I was in brake fluid, which I mean works. But
Brake fluid works, ATF works, even just regular engine oil works. Verisol, we used to use Verisol. Like anything that's a thinner fluid, here, golden. Cool. Before you do that, got the smallest amount left here, almost done, but Alright, so guys, what I like to do, and it's not what everybody likes to do, but it's what I like to do. Once you've stone honed everything and it looks great, which it does, and you've checked for taper and everything, and we're within our specs for taper, we got about 1.5 thou, honestly. This engine will go together very well, as long as all other 7 cylinders can match that one. So after I've stone honed, I don't like using the stone hone to put my crosshatch in. It's a bit of a pain in the butt. I've already replaced 1 set of stones tonight. I don't feel like replacing more. I like to use my ball hone just for the crosshatch. You can make any cylinder look beautiful with the ball hone, but it can be tapered to hex. So the stone hone is the tool to use to make sure there's no taper. And I like to use my ball hone just to get the right crosshatch pattern that I'm happy with. So here goes.
Should we try it?
New one's charged.
It'll kill batteries. Here.
They need to get some of those high amp hour batteries.
They do a nice job.
I mean, these ones work, but only for a certain amount of time.
You've already got a half decent crosshatch starting to happen.
Yeah, it's pretty decent.
Hone her in a little bit more.
John got it. The light.
What? Yeah, let's have a look
Flashlight.
at the flashlight.
He's making sure you don't steal it.
Pretty decent, actually.
Actually, that is pretty decent. We could leave that right there. But I hated that it stopped in it. So
Yeah.
I always like
Once
to
more.
pull it out while it's moving just to make sure that we're consistent.
Yep.
Once more. There, that's how I like to do that. Want to know something else fun? After we're done with all these cylinders and we're happy with ourselves with the engine stuff, we are going to hop tank this engine.
Looks pretty.
That's decent.
Yeah, I'm happy with that crosshatch pattern. Something I never noticed before. You got a little dig right there. That'll go when we sand the top of the head.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So in conclusion, John's going to get real friendly with my stone hone. He's got a little homework to do, basically. He's got to clean the other 7 cylinders, same as we cleaned the first one, cylinder number 1. Thanks for watching, everybody. John appreciates it, and Natalie appreciates it. Have a good night, guys.